Jungle of Wonders. Chapter 6. The Firefly's Secret. Recap. In the previous chapter, Taro encountered a frightened leopard cub who had wandered away from its family. Displaying kindness and courage, Taro reassured the cub and guided it back home. The cub's family expressed their heartfelt gratitude, and Taro felt a warm glow in his chest, a sign that his actions were bringing him closer to understanding the heart of the jungle. As twilight deepened, Taro marveled at the fireflies illuminating the path ahead. Their glow wasn't random, it seemed purposeful, like a celestial map laid out just for him. He stepped carefully, each paw print lighting up with faint golden hues, matching the shimmering dance of the fireflies. The trail led him to an imposing cave shrouded in mystery. Its entrance was veiled by thick, twisting vines, and the walls bore glowing runes that pulsed with a gentle light. Taro's eyes widened as he recognized the symbols. They matched those on the ancient rock he had discovered earlier in his journey. With a mixture of awe and trepidation, he stepped closer. Suddenly, a deep voice rumbled from within the cave, reverberating through the stillness of the jungle. Only the pure of heart may enter. Do you wish to proceed? Taro hesitated, his tail swishing nervously. But he remembered the leopard cub and how his choice to help had brought joy and unity. His courage swelled within him. Yes, I'm ready, he said, his voice steady. At his words, the vines slowly unwound, revealing the mouth of the cave. The air inside was cool and carried a faint, floral scent, as though welcoming him. The fireflies flitted past him, creating a trail of light that guided him deeper into the cave. As Taro ventured further, he found himself in a vast chamber. Its ceiling sparkled like a starry sky, and in the center stood a pedestal with an orb glowing faintly. Symbols similar to those on the walls danced across its surface. He approached it cautiously, drawn by its light, when the voice returned. Prove your wisdom. Solve the riddle of the orb to continue your journey. Taro stared at the orb, his mind racing with possibilities. This was no ordinary challenge. The next step in uncovering the heart of the jungle lay in solving the mystery before him. To be continued.